Good morning. Today is the last day of December and the last day of 2019. We just woke up, we got out of bed, we're downstairs now, and we're both rocking our robes. I'll show you what she's wearing. So it's about 9:20-ish, it's almost like 9:25, and we just came downstairs and I am gonna make breakfast for us. I'm gonna put these dishes away that are clean, and I'm gonna make her some breakfast, and I'll show you what I've been eating lately because I have been obsessed with eating avocado toast. So I'm gonna show you how I make that, and yeah, let's just get right into it.
They're married, which is great. Chuck is really, he's a good guy. But then something happened.
I organized the pantry, I think yesterday or the day before, and it's so nice and organized. I got rid of a bunch of stuff that was in here, cleaned out the bottom. Looks so good. I feel like I need to get like baskets and stuff though, because it's still a little bit kind of just thrown in here. But I'm gonna get her some oatmeal. We'll do this one. This is a protein banana nut oatmeal. So I'm gonna make her half of this because this is big. Okay, so for my avocado toast, I need one pretty soft avocado. This one's like ready to go. These other two are still kind of hard. So I have one soft, on the softer side of an avocado. I have half of a sweet onion here. Obviously I'm not gonna use the whole thing, but I'm gonna use that. I have some lemons, or some limes. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of pepper. I have my bread, some eggs, and butter. So I am gonna start by making the avocado. So I have my, it's basically guacamole without the tomatoes. So I put onions and peppers and lime juice in here. And so now that's ready to go. So now I'm gonna make my eggs and my toast. So it is almost, yes, it's almost 6. Today's New Year's Eve. I don't know if I said that earlier, but I just finished getting ready. So I did my makeup, and then I washed my hair earlier. So I just straightened it with my blow dryer. It looks good. And I made a little bit of dinner because we're gonna be up basically really late. So I made some rice and some pasteles, so I'm gonna go down and do that and serve some dinner real quick. And then Derek, me, and the baby will head out to go to my parents' house because we always spend New Year's with them. So I don't know if I'll vlog again today, but if I don't, I hope you guys have a very happy New Year's Eve. If you're going out anywhere, I hope you had a good time because this will be going up later. So hope you had a good time. Hope your New Year's is great and prosperous and happy and amazing. And I will be posting more videos really soon. So if you haven't seen the stuff that I've posted recently, go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you did like it, and I will see you next year. So today is January 1st and it's about, I think, like 1:30, so it's 1:30 and I just finished getting ready. I did my hair, just straightened it today, it's so long, and I did my makeup kind of simple with like a more bold lip. So today we're gonna go to Derek's dad's house and have like New Year's dinner there. He makes pork and sauerkraut because that's a thing that they do in, I think, Pennsylvania, maybe just Lancaster County, but so that's what we're doing later on today. The baby is currently napping and Derek's upstairs getting ready. I love when I have this cool wave. So I am currently in the salon right now, and let me turn around here. There we go, that's better. So I'm in the salon. I'm gonna film a couple of videos for my salon's YouTube channel, which I will have linked below. If you haven't already checked that out, go ahead and do that. I will be posting more hair videos, nail videos, and kind of like advice videos on just topics that I'm really interested in regarding like beauty and stuff. So if you want to check that out, I will have that linked below. But I am just gonna film some videos here. I think I'm gonna clean up all the Christmas stuff because I have the Christmas decor up right now. Actually, I think I'll show you guys the Christmas decor on this channel, and kind of like a little sneak peek of like my salon tour, because I'm gonna do a salon tour that I just want to get all the Christmas stuff out. So I think that this year I am going to be changing some things around, and I am going to be adding some services to my list of services that I do, which is already a lot, but I like doing everything. So I am going to change the salon layout a little bit, probably in the next couple of months, but I wanted to show what it looks like now. And this is how it's been for the last 6 months, I think, because I opened 6 months ago. So I'll show you with all the Christmas stuff on this channel. It'll be like a little sneak peek. So coming down the stairs, I just have some red and green like tinsel garland, and then I have some red garland there, and then I have a little stockings next to the fireplace. And then as far as my desk, I have this little ornament. It's cute, and it has like a flat base, so I sat it there. And then I had a little Christmas bucket with some candy canes, and then this cute little other ornament. And then over there I just have some more garland and then some white snowflakes. And over on the mirror I had some more garland. I made that bow and a little Christmas tree. Here I am, ready for the day. So basically that was all of the Christmas decor. Back here I do have some white snowflakes, but you can't really see those because the walls are white too. But let me get out of this harsh light. So I just wanted to do a little sneak peek of the salon and like what I had as Christmas decor. And I got all this stuff at the Dollar Tree. I think beginning of December or like end of November. They had a lot of stuff at the Dollar Tree. I really love that store. And I think with all of this stuff I spent like 27 bucks. And I got a bunch of boxes of candy canes. So I love the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have to go back soon to see what they have for like spring, because I want to decorate the living room a little bit more this spring. But I'll check that like maybe next month or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up all this Christmas stuff, and then I'm gonna film some videos for my salon's channel. Oh my god, I can't hold this thing. So I'm gonna film some videos for my salon's channel, and then I will check back in later maybe, and then this will be like a 2-day vlog, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part so far, and I will see you later.